Action cameras remain a compelling category for creators and enthusiasts who demand compact form factors, rugged build quality, and high-quality footage in varying environments. From underwater vlogs to helmet-mounted POVs, these devices promise to capture dynamic moments with stabilization, wide angles, and quick sharing workflows.
The Speed 10 is a feature-rich, compact action cam offering 4K at 60 FPS, a 20-megapixel sensor, dual rear and front screens, and an underwater capability up to 131 feet with the included housing. It integrates Wi-Fi, a remote, and supports up to 256 gigabytes micro SD cards, making it a versatile option for vlogging, helmet cams, and scuba sessions. The two-screen setup is a standout for framing selfies and quick previews on the go, and the 4K 60 with EIS, valid at 4K 30 and below, provides smooth footage in many action contexts. The package includes two 1350 mAh batteries, enhancing shoot time during prolonged sessions. Performance-wise, the camera delivers crisp 4K 60 video, though EIS is limited to 4K 30 or lower, which means the most stabilized footage at 60 FPS requires turning EIS off or accepting reduced stabilization. The 170-degree field of view on other models is not stated here, but the wide-angle lens helps capture expansive action. In practice, users will appreciate the front display for framing, quick self-recording, and the remote for remote-triggered captures. The waterproofing depth of 131 feet is achieved with the case. Note that without the case, the camera is not waterproof. The 256 gigabytes expansion option is future-proof for long adventure shoots, but ensure you format cards properly and use a reliable brand to avoid corruption.
Number 2. IceFox i8 Action Camera with 4K 60 FPS 20 megapixels. The IceFox i8 is a budget-friendly 4K 60 action cam featuring 20 megapixel photos, 98 feet or 30-meter waterproofing with case, and a Snap Pro app for editing. It ships with 2 batteries and a broad accessory pack, including bike mounts and a 360-degree rotating screw, which makes it attractive for beginner to intermediate users seeking an affordable, versatile package for cycling, diving, and travel. The claim of 4K 60 with EIS trade-offs noted and 2.7K 60 options provides flexible capture options suitable for social media and casual sports footage. Performance-wise, 4K 60 is achievable, but note that 60 FPS is available only when EIS is turned off, which means stabilization will be reduced at 4K 60. The 98-foot waterproof rating with housing supports diving and water activities, but remote control and accessory waterproofing should be verified for full underwater use. The included Snap Pro app offers built-in editing features, which is convenient for quick content assembly and sharing. Battery life up to roughly 2 hours of continuous shooting with two 1350 mAh cells makes it reasonable for day-long activities, though heat management at high resolutions should be considered in hot climates.
List number 3. Action Camera 5K 30 FPS waterproof camera underwater 131 feet with EIS Wi-Fi app remote control. This HiCam Speed 20 model pushes resolution with 5K 30 video and 30 MP stills, pairing 131 feet underwater capability with built-in EIS and a 170-degree wide-angle lens. The kit includes a 64GB card, remote, and Wi-Fi app control, aiming at riders, divers, and adventure vloggers who want cinematic-looking footage with straightforward sharing. The 5K option is appealing for ultra-detailed footage in helmet cams and POV recordings, while the waterproof depth supports serious underwater use with the included housing. Performance-wise, 5K 30 provides standout detail. But like most action cams, stabilization can be tricky at higher resolutions and may rely more on EIS to minimize shake. The 170-degree field of view ensures dramatic coverage, which is great for immersive riding or snorkeling, but may introduce more distortion at the edges. The included 64GB card offers decent starter capacity, but users shooting 5K will likely need larger cards for longer sessions. The Wi-Fi app makes remote framing and quick sharing convenient, though the 2-inch screen size can feel compact when navigating menus.
List number 4. IceFox i7 Action Camera, 4K 60 FPS, 30 megapixels with 2x 2150 mAh batteries. The IceFox i7 sits at a comfortable mid-tier price point with 4K 60 and 30 megapixel stills, 5x digital zoom, EIS, and a 1.4-inch touchscreen. It ships with two high-capacity 2150 mAh batteries and claims robust performance in a compact form with IP-level waterproofing when used with the included case. The 98-foot underwater depth and 147-degree wide-angle lens make it suitable for surf, biking, and family adventures, while the Snap Pro app offers in-app editing. Performance-wise, the i7's dual batteries provide meaningful runtime extensions, potentially up to 5 hours for certain use cases, though actual results will vary with resolution, stabilization, and sensor temperatures. The 147-degree field of view is broad, but users should be mindful of distortion at extreme angles. The camera's size and weight are travel-friendly, and its app ecosystem supports quick editing and sharing. However, the 1.4-inch screen is small for lengthy settings config, and EIS trade-offs at 60 FPS may require compromises depending on the scene.
List number 5. 5K 30 FPS 64MP waterproof action camera with front LCD. The ODD-V model sits at the premium end of this set, delivering 5K 30 video, 64MP plus photos, dual displays, front non-touch, rear touch, and a robust waterproofing approach with 34 feet built-in waterproofing and up to 132 feet with dive housing. It uses EIS 2.0 with a 170-degree wide angle and offers a 5x zoom, remote control, and a 64GB SD card. The combination targets divers and action enthusiasts who want a feature-forward device with strong stabilization and a rich accessory ecosystem. Performance-wise, the 5K 30 capture yields high-detail footage, especially when used with the dive housing for underwater work. EIS 2.0 helps reduce shake, though the 170-degree FOV can introduce edge distortion. Users should consider stitching or cropping for professional outputs. The front screen provides quick status checks, while the rear touchscreen enables easier navigation in bright outdoor conditions. The inclusion of a remote and 64GB card reduces upfront setup friction, but the device is heavier and may require careful mounting for stable handheld use.